Smart image editing on BNP AI is designed for final stage edits. Select the edit icon, then choose your render from history or upload directly from your device to start editing. The selection tool lets you choose the parts of your render you want to change. Simply select the area, then give a prompt like change the car color to black and press the generate button. AI will smoothly add the new details to your render. Eraser. Select the eraser tool, highlight the area you want to remove, then press the erase button. This keeps your final render clean without needing to redo the whole scene. Orbit camera. Select the orbit camera tool, set its position to the angle you want, then click the rotate generate button to create different viewing angles of your render. This helps you explore different views and pick the best one. With BNP AI, making changes to your render becomes faster, easier, and more flexible, all in one place.